first off, really gives me a leg up on the assignment when I know what you're going to use the images for. It's not just a matter of, oh, I need images of a plane. I mean, yeah, that's kind of the base object. But depending on how you're going to use them, I will shoot in a different way. A charter company is going to need different images than an FBO. You both have different purposes, different things that you want to get across. I need to know that so that I can focus my photography on images that are going to help you the most